So I get this call from maybe 12,538 kilometers away asking me an out of the blue question. What is your earliest memory?
What looks like a simple, straightforward question turns out to be quite a struggle.
But after much thinking, I'm now clear that my earliest memory is going with my father for probably my first movie in a cinema hall.
The year is 1969 and I am 6 years old. The movie hall's name is Anjali, which by a strange coincidence will be my wife's name 21 years later. The movie is the iconic Mackina's Road, starring Gregory Peck, Omar Sharif, and Julie Newmar. You can imagine the effect the movie would have had on a 6-year-old, watching every scene and listening to every line of dialogue as if his life depended on it.
That final climatic scene when the entire mountainside comes crashing down and the goal for which the cast of actors and villains in the movie are searching for is lost forever is a scene I can picturize to this day.
Although going to a movie hall has become a rarity, the few times in a year that I do go to it transports me back to that very first cinematic experience, one of thrills and spills, magic and mystery.